Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the recovery drive and target PC are ready. Plug a verified USB recovery drive into the machine and ensure it has at least 8 GB free. Check battery or connect power and turn on internet if drivers are needed. Reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI. Set USB as first boot device and temporarily disable secure boot if the drive isn't recognized. Once done, save settings and reboot directly to the recovery USB to begin restoration. You'll now use WinRe tools to diagnose and repair. When the recovery menu appears, choose Troubleshoot and go to Advanced Options. Try Startup Repair first to fix boot issues automatically. If that fails, run System Restore to revert to a known good point. For advanced recovery, open Command Prompt and run DISM to repair the Windows image and SFC/Scano to fix system files. If you have a system image, select System Image Recovery to restore everything. Make sure the correct image and disk targets are chosen. Finish by removing the recovery USB and rebooting to see if Windows loads to the desktop. If it does, reconnect to the internet, run Windows Update, reinstall drivers and applications, and restore your backed up files. Verify system stability with a quick stress or app test. If boot problems persist, go back to WinRe and use Command Prompt to rebuild the boot configuration data, bcdboot or bootrec commands, and run chkdsk on the system drive. This often resolves corrupted boot records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.